Hey everyone, welcome back to Monica Study Space. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will be sharing 5 software job opportunities from different companies. I will explain each and every job description in a simple way. We will understand what the company is looking for and what is your responsibilities and what skills you need and the qualification required and who can apply. Whether you are a fresher or a recent graduate or someone with experience, this video will help you to understand these job opportunities more easily. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who are looking for the software jobs. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started with our first opportunity. Our first opportunity is from Capgemini. Capgemini is hiring a role for software engineer. The role is software engineer. So, this position is located in Pune, India, and it is a permanent job. According to the job description, this opening for experienced professions. This job is open for experienced professions. This job is not for the freshers. It is for the experienced professionals. So if you are this particular role may not be suitable for freshers right now. However, it's still useful to understand what skills companies like Capgemini expect from software engineer. Now let's understand what you will do in this role. What you will do in this role is the job description also says you will analyze software engineering problems using scientific methods. This simply means you will be careful understanding a problem, think of a best solution and then implement it through the code instead of guessing or making random changes. Another important responsibility is working on different stages of software development, researching, designing, and developing and maintaining softwares, like research, design, development, and maintaining software. So your work does not stop after writing code. You will also help to improve and support the software after it is built. Capgemini also expects software engineers to use their own thinking and judgment while solving problems. As you gain experience, you may also guide or support other software engineers in technical work. The company clearly mentions that teamwork is important. You will work with other software engineers and different stakeholders. And good communication and collaboration are valuable skills for this role. Now let's look at the skills they are expecting. Capgemini is looking for someone with more than 1 year relevant work experience and a good understanding of programming concepts like software design and software development principles. They also expect you to candidates to work with minimal supervision, which means once a task is assigned, you should be able to understand it, manage your time, and complete it independently. The company also values people who can organize their work, make sensible decisions based on the situation, and contribute positively to the team's performance. Who should apply? If you already have an experience in software development, understanding programming fundamentals, and enjoy solving technical problems while working with a team, then this opportunity is worth checking out. Let's move on to the second opportunity. Before moving on to that, let's click on apply now. Then click on the apply now button. It will take some time to load. Wait for some time. Okay, here it is. Please fill all the necessary, upload your resume, email, and retype your email and choose your own password. It has some restrictions, not restrictions. It has some necessary details. You have to fill your first name, last name, country, region, phone number, and so on. Fill all the necessary details and click apply the link button and submit your application. Now let's move on to the second opportunity is from Digantara. Digantara is a space technology company. According to the job description, the company works on the space surveillance and intelligence. Okay. Um, in simple, it develops technology to detect, track, identify, and monitor satellites and other objects in space. This helps make space operations safer and more organized. The company is hiring for the role of software development engineer, one front end. Job location is Bangalore. The job location is Bangalore. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. And the good news is that the role is open to the candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience. The work type is on-site, and so it is suitable for fresh graduates and early career software engineers. Now let's understand what you will be doing in this role as a front-end software development engineer. Your main responsibility is to build the part of application that users can actually see and interact with. This includes creating web pages, dashboards, buttons, forms, menus, and other user interface components. The company wants someone who can build responsive websites, which means applications should work properly on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile. You will mainly use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. The job description also mentions 3.js, like 3.js, which is a JavaScript library used to create interactive 3D graphics. It also mentions the 3.js library, and some projects may require building visual 3D experiences, so having a knowledge of 3.js or similar framework is an added advantage. Another important responsibility is working closely with back-end engineers. In simple words, like front-end developers create what users see, while back-end developers manage the data and business logic. You will work together so that both parts of the application function smoothly. And apart from developing new features, you will also fix bugs, improve application performance, and so on. Now let's look at the qualification and the skills. What you will need. The company is looking for the candidates with a BE, BTech, or MTech degree in computer science or any related field. You should have a strong knowledge in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. They also expect you to be familiar with Git, which is a tool used by developers to manage code and work together on projects. And who should apply? If you are a fresher or have 2 years of experience, enjoy front end, and already know the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, this is a great opportunity to build your career in a company working on advanced space technology. Now, let's move on to the next opportunity. Is for our third opportunity is from Amazon. Amazon is hiring for the role of software development engineer 1, also known as STE1. One important point is mentioned in the job description is this role is intended only for 2025 and 2026 graduates. So if you are completed your graduation in either of these years, you can check your eligibility for this opportunity. The job is available in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Delhi. Now let's understand what Amazon is looking for. According to the job description, Amazon wants a software engineer who enjoy building new technology and solving real world problems, since millions of customers use Amazon's products and services every day. So the software engineers at Amazon work on system that have a very large impact. As an SDE1, you will work with experienced engineers to design, develop and build a new software products and features. You will also help to improve existing systems. The job description also mentions the working on distributed systems. Like this means building software that runs on many computers working together instead of just one computer. This helps Amazons to handle millions of users at the same time. So now look at the qualifications and skills. Amazon requires a bachelor's degree or higher in computer science, computer engineering or any related field. The company expects you to have a strong understanding of computer science fundamentals and the OOPS concept, data structure and algorithms, problem solving and complexity analysis. You should also know at least one programming language such as Java, Python, C++, or Perl. And who should apply if you are 2025 or 2026 graduate, having a strong understanding of programming, data structure and algorithms and problem solving. You are interested in building software, millions of users. This is an excellent opportunity to consider. Now let's move on to our fourth opportunity, Expedia. Expedia Group. It is a global travel technology company. According to their job description, it helps millions of people discover, book and manage their travel through brands like Expedia, Hotels.com and the company is hiring for the role of senior software development engineer. This is a full-time opportunity located in Gurgaon, Haryana. Before we look at the responsibilities, there is one more important thing. This role requires 8 years or more experience of professional software development experience. So this is not for the fresher role. However, it's still useful to understand what company expect from senior software engineer. Now let's understand what you will do in this role. According to job description, you will design and build and maintain software services and applications that are highly available, secure and perform well. You will build software that works reliably and protects user data and continuous performance well, even when many people using it. And the company also expect you to work with different teams such as product managers, designers, and other engineers. Together, you will discuss business requirements and so on. And the job description also mentions AI and machine learning. Expedia is looking for the engineers who understand how AI-powered features can be safely added to real-world application. For example, AI can be used to provide a travel recommendation or personalized experience for customer. And now let's look at the qualification and skills. The company requires a bachelor's or master degree in computer science, engineering, or any related field. They expect candidate to have at least 8 years of experience in the back-end development, full stack development, or distributed systems. You should also have experience in REST APIs and working with relational or NoSQL database and using modern programming languages and frameworks. And it also mentions the experience with complete software development lifecycle, including testing, CI/CD pipelines, deployment, and production monitoring. And now let's move on to the final opportunity. The final opportunity is from okay. The final opportunity is for the role of associate software engineers. According to the job description, this role focuses on building and maintaining AI-powered tools that are used by teams such as SEO, content, SEM, and editorial. These tools help employees to work more efficiently by using LLMs, large language models. This is a full stack development role, which means you will work on both front end and back end. One of the best parts of this job is it is remote role. So you can work from anywhere in India. The job location mentioned are Mumbai and Chennai, but the company clearly states that the role is remote. You will build in this role, you will build a web application on the front end. You will work with next.js, and on the back end you will see the fast API. If you are not familiar with these technologies, don't worry. Next.js is a framework used to build a modern web application, and fast API is a Python framework used to create fast and efficient API. So you will also get hands-on experience with AWS and cloud services, where you will help deploy applications, monitor them, and troubleshoot issues. Now let's look at the qualifications and skills. The company requires bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or any related field. They are looking for the candidates with about 1.5 years of professional experience. This job is not for the freshers. The main technology skills include Python, JavaScript, or TypeScript, React or Next.js, SQL, and REST API, and Git. Some additional skills are listed as good to have, but not mandatory. And the company also values soft skills. They want someone who is curious, willing to learn, communicates well, and asks questions when needed. Finally, let's look at some of the benefits mentioned in JD. The company offers a remote first work environment, flexible working, a long weekend every third Friday, wellness to benefits, parental leave, and the opportunity to work with a global company. So those were the 5 software job opportunities for today's video. I hope this simple explanation helped you to understand the job description more clearly, and I will give you the better idea of what each company is looking for. If you are interested in any of these roles, make sure to read the official job description carefully before applying, and check that you meet the eligibility requirement. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Monica Study Space for the more job opportunities, placement tips, and career guidance.